The door is telling you something when it sticks, rubs, refuses to close, or shows uneven gaps at the latch and frame. Look for gaps that are wider at the top or bottom when the door is closed, which indicates the door is sagging toward one side. Measure by eye or run a credit card along the jamb to feel variation. Check hinge leaves for looseness by lifting the door slightly while supporting it. If the door moves vertically in the frame, the hinge pin or screws may be failing. Inspect screw heads. They should sit flush with the hinge leaf. Screws backing out often allow the door to droop and misalign. Observe tactile cues like rubbing against the strike plate or paint abrasion along the edge, which reveal repeated contact and progressive misalignment. Listen for sounds when operating the door. Persistent squeaks or creaks can mean friction and uneven load on the hinge, rather than just lubrication needs. Finally, scan for visible bending of hinge plates or warping around the mortise, which indicates the hinge is bearing stress and will need tightening, countersinking, longer screws, or replacement. A common issue is loose screws that cause the door to pull away from the frame. Tighten screws and consider replacing short screws with longer ones that anchor into the stud to restore alignment. Another frequent problem is a beaten or worn strike plate that prevents proper latching. Remove the plate and reposition or replace it, and file the mortise slightly if the latch no longer engages smoothly. Warped or bent hinge leaves lead to persistent rubbing and uneven gaps. Replace the hinge set and refit the mortise so the new hinges sit flat and the door hangs squarely. We run BigHomeProjects.com to connect homeowners and contractors around jobs like hinge realignment, offering a place to list projects and discover local help. We also host a discussion community where our members share tips, ask questions, and troubleshoot common door and hinge problems together.